Hello everyone. Today we're going to start talking about rates of change. In math analysis we talk about two different types of rates of change. We have average rates of change, instantaneous rates of change. Average rates of change you've done before, and the sooner you can memorize this, the easier calculus will be. When you see this word, see these words, average rates of change. Average should tell you 2 points, and rate of change will tell you slope. So this is just the slope between 2 points, something you've been doing ever since Algebra 1. A balloon is being filled with water. Its approximate volume in gallons is that formula, where x is the radius in inches. Find the average rate of change of the volume as the radius increases from 5 to 10 inches. Average rate of change, your mind should think slope between 2 points. And we stress this in calculus a lot, so learning it now makes life easier. So I need 2 points. 1 point is 5 comma something. Let's make that 5 a little better. 5 comma something. The other is 10 comma something. Well, how do I find those comma somethings? I'm going to plug them into the equation. Okay? So, I'm going to say it's 5, actually let's do it as a fraction. Alpha, y equals 1, 5 to the third over 55. Oh, it's 25 over 11. Now let's do the same thing with 10. Alpha, y equals 1, 10 to the third, which we really know is 1,000, but that's okay, over 55. 200 over 11. Now I have my 2 points. Let's find the slope between them. Okay, remember that slope is the y value minus the other y value over x value minus x value. Okay, it doesn't matter what order you go in, but if you start with the 200 over 11, you have to start with the 10 on bottom. Don't get these confused. Remember, it's y over x, one of the most common mistakes I see. We'll use the calculator to clean this up, so lots of fraction bars. Alpha, y equals 1. Alpha, y equals 1. 200 over 11 minus alpha, y equals 1. 25 over 11. And on the bottom, 10 minus 5 is 5. So I get 35 over 11. Now we need units. A rate of change always has the word per in it. It's something per something. And we know it's y per x. So what's my y value measured in? Well, my y value is volume. So the volume is changing per inch. So I know I'm going to be measuring per inch. How do I measure volume? Well, any volume is just whatever you're measuring in cubed. So that is your average rate of change. Average rate of change is just slope. Let's try another one. A cone-shaped tank is being filled with water. The volume is that equation. Find the average rate of change as it increases from 1 to 3. So I need 2 points. I see average rate of change. I want to think slope between 2 points. Slope between 2 points. Well, it's going to be 1 comma something and 3 comma something. How do I find those comma somethings, those y values? I'm going to plug it back in. This one's easy enough I can do it in my head. Plug in 1, 1/3, 1 to the third is 1, over 4 is 1/4. 3 to the third is 27 over 4. Now let's do the slope. 27 over 4 minus 1 over 4 over 3 minus 1. I'm going to use a calculator to help me because I don't want to. No, I can do this one in my head. I can do this one without a calculator. 27 over 4 minus 1 over 4 is 26 over 4. That's going to be 2 on bottom, so times 1/2. That's going to be 26 over 8, which will be 13 over 4. Units. Well, I'm still measuring volume, so it is in meters, so it's cubic meters per meter of height. Just finding the slope between 2 points. The only other thing in this section is secant line. A secant line is the line that connects the 2 points. We're going to use this formula a lot. Y minus the y value of one of the points equals the slope times x minus the x value of one of the points. All I need is a point and a slope. That's why it's called point-slope formula. I have 2 points, so we're good there. I just need to find the slope. The slope is y minus y over x minus x. 14 minus 5 is 9. 2 minus a negative 1 is 3. My slope is 3. So I'm going to use this slope and one of these 2 points in this formula. So let's use the first one. Y minus, the first y value is 5. The slope is 3. Minus a negative 1. Now you can leave it like that because it says find the secant line. If you wanted to clean it up though, you'd have y minus 5 equals 3x plus 3, or y equals 3x plus 8. But what if I use the other point? I use the 214. So y minus 14 equals 3x minus 2. Clean that up. Oh look, you get the same thing. So, average rate of change just means slope, and the secant line means the line that connects those 2 points with that slope.